This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. Bring your fishing pole and enjoy this 2-halves cabin on the private setting of 8-acre Lake Whitepath. This furnished log home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, loft with an open floor plan, island granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, wood-burning fireplace and a screen deck on both front and back. Outside there is a fire pit area near the lake to relax while taking in the beauty of the lake. Centrally located between Blue Ridge and Ellijay. If you are into wine, you also have your own 4 rows of grapes to enjoy. This cabin is great for a rental, second home, or your very own mountain paradise for full-time living. For more information, review the details below or contact Roger Remington at 678-358-87.